Welcome to the season 1 and episode 4 for street food secrets. What your vendor doesn't want you to know. What if I told you that your favorite street vendor isn't winging it? He is running a kitchen lab, and that too under the open skies. Behind every sizzling wok, behind every puffed puri, lies science, instinct, and a little rebellion that is wrapped up in paper plates, and that's what comes to you. Now let me tell you a little story here with chaos, and that includes a purpose. So this divine story about chaos is about the clang of ladles, the hiss of ghee, and shout, "One more plate." Welcome to the unofficial parliament of Indian cuisine. These asphalt kitchens are where the India's true taste gets elected. This episode will uncover the same secret, the secret of craftsmanship behind each street food mastery. Some hygiene myths we will touch upon and dismantle by real techniques, and how to bring that magical punch into your home kitchens. A little bit about science and emotion, where stories fry. Every Indian kitchen, every Indian city has corner that smells like rebellion. So every Indian city has a corner that smells like rebellion. Delhi's Rajouri Garden, Mumbai's Juhu, Chennai's Marina Trench. Each one colosseum of crunch, spice, and a little bit of storytelling. Your vendor is not just a cook. He is a showman, a philosopher, a chef of the people. When his ladle hits the tawa, that sound isn't just a noise, it is an applause. And that applause which brings more and more customers to his place. Now let's deep dive a little bit about the engineering of this chaos. The street food, which is just not random. Think again. This is precision wrapped in grit. The bhaji wala, he is managing starch viscosity just like a chemist. The chaat master is adjusting the salt depending upon the weather humidity. The dosa cart tilts the tawa with wind balance, batter fermenting just like a botanist. Every movement, every sound is instinct turned science. That is not chaos, that is culinary science, which is physics, chemistry, and biology at work. I want to tell you a little bit about some fun facts, which is the hidden curriculum of this podcast. Pani puri puffs up thanks to the steam pressure bursts. That is just not the luck. India's street food licenses started under Mughal rule for the crowd control. Pav Bhaji, born in Mumbai, just behind those cloth mills. Quick nutrition for the night shift heroes. Now, a little bit about Chef's Corner, bringing it home. Do you want that street burst at your home? Here are the few tips. Toast your spices, fresh and never pre-ground. Add the final hint of tang of lime, tamarind, or amchur towards the end of the cooking. And for the smoky note, always go for ghee. It caramelizes without burning. A pro move for you: layer the temperature. Whenever you cook with medium-high, go to a high heat, and then go to the rest. That is the secret of flavor depth. The street cook's superpower. Now it is with you. I want to tell you a little bit about a story which is very close to my heart. Once in Lucknow, past midnight, I stood behind a kebab cart. The vendor turned his kebab skewer just a few degrees against the wind. That tilt, that angle, that decision is a pure instinct. You cannot learn that in a culinary school. Street food is unsung genius, the kind that breathes, sweats, and feeds the nation. Now, as we come to the end of this podcast, I would like to understand that what is your confession of street food, which is your favorite dish, or which is your main weakness, which brings you closer to that crunch of kachori or that 2 a.m. hit of masala chai? Drop it with a hashtag of vendor secrets and tell me what flavor owns your street. What's next now? I will give a little glimpse. So in our next stop, we will be talking about spice borders, where the heat tells stories and every region sparks its own dialect of flame. Till then, eat with curiosity, cook with pride, and tip your vendor. This is Rahul Srivastav signing off. Bye-bye. Thank you. They are the professors of pleasure.